Let's explore how to edit text on the page. Start by selecting the poem title. In the selected element menu, you will see the Edit Text icon. Click this icon to enter text editing mode. Alternatively, you can simply double-click on the text element, which is a quick shortcut to instantly activate the text editing mode. Once active, you can type freely to change the content, just like you would in a regular word processor. You can also insert special characters by clicking the star icon in the toolbar. Let's scroll down to find the pine tree icon and add it to our title. If you want to style a specific word differently, highlight the text you want to change. Then click the bold icon in the toolbar. Another powerful option is to wrap the selected text in a span. This creates a separate inline element that you can style independently from the rest of the text block. Here is an important time-saving tip. Pressing the Tab key while in text editing mode allows you to jump directly to the next element while keeping the text editing mode active. This is a very handy way to quickly move through your content. Pressing Shift plus Tab will move you backwards to the previous element. Let's press Tab repeatedly to move forward down the page until we reach the footer text created with Pinegrow. Highlight the word Pinegrow and then click on the link button in the toolbar. In the URL field, enter the full address, https://pinegrow.com, and click the Create Link button. This demonstrates the second method for adding links, which is perfect when you want to link just a specific word or phrase rather than the entire element. When you are finished editing your content and want to return to the normal selection mode, simply click the Done button on the toolbar. Go ahead and try this yourself. Change the poem text, add some special characters, and experiment with the navigation shortcuts. When you are ready, click on Complete to proceed to the next lesson.